Now in this room you can see where we're using an Injectidry system, which basically allows us to dry the structure from the inside out. What we've done is we've taken a 3/8 inch drill bit and we've drilled two holes between each stud. This is basically a vacuum hose that is sucking the moisture out of the wall cavity. By doing that, you notice that we're right here below the base line so that we're not damaging the wall structure. The reason this is so important is the amount of money that is saved, because we don't have to do, as we talked about earlier, demo the wall at 2 foot or 3 foot or a foot. It's basically dried again from the inside of the wall out. Now this can be applied to the ceiling. If the ceiling was wet, we could punch holes in the ceiling line, then draw the moisture out of the ceiling as well. The walls, depending on how wet it was. The floors here, you can see these pads on the hardwood. And while we're drying the wall structure, we can also be drying the hardwood floor system. So basically we take these mats, we tape the edges down, and you know how hardwood floors have that grooved bottom side, which creates a void, if you will. And these pads suck the air through the joints in the hardwood floors from around the walls where the base was, and then draws the moisture up through the hose and then into the piece of equipment. So the bottom line is, for a homeowner that had a major water loss, we can come in and in some instances never have to repaint even the main parts of the wall, because we've treated the wall space down below the baseline. Once the wall is dry, we will then put the base back on, caulk it along the baseline, and you will never even know that we were in this room drying out the structure. The Injectidry system is a very, very important piece of equipment, because it not only saves the homeowner money, but it saves the insurance company money.